but anyway li yàlla binda loolu mooy am. ok boy bi gis naa ne daf dee wax ne ñun moom waaye du dee wax moom ak ñan la ñu bokkal groupe bi ñi doon def opération bi benn tey oyangut kenn he has not named any one of them which is also not fair. ok so su waxee ne living dafa wax ñoom moom si groupe am tam ñi fa bokk yëpp waaw waaye di wax ne ñun waaye we only know him alone. What about the others? He has to tell us everything. He has to come forward. Boy bi danga ko war a wax dëgga. He either comes forward or let him forget it. Okay? Yes. Because you cannot tell me to give him assurances and now he's mu ngi wàññi ne am na yenn ñoo xam ne du nangu ta wax seen tur yi. ok ba pare moom si groupe am bi sax waxut moom moo kan akam mu ngi wax suma boy si ana amuñ tur so lu moo wax bu dee loolu moo nekk si moom ba pare mu ne ma jox ko assurance ba pare nangu ta wax moom tiimam bi sax kan akan moo si nekk mu ngi oo ñeneen ñi ñoo xam ne ñoo ko jox instructions waaye ñoom ñi ko def moom moo kan akan la daf la war a tudde otherwise let him forget it. Wow. Because it seems that the boy is hiding a lot of things. Wow, he is hiding a lot of things. Koli bu ma noonu man xam naa ko boy bu xees la woon waaye pël la waaye anyway make it very clear to him ne sooner or later the whole truth will come out bési yàlla dina jot so moom suy hide ñoom moom ak ñoo ko def I think he is putting himself at a risk and he will take responsibility for all what has happened. Wow. So let it be very clear. He does not play with me. Now what Degabi, now what Turi, group ambassador, now what Momo Kanakan, from burning of the petrol stations, GNPC petrol stations to the living way. Political bureau, now what Nyep Nyan Nyosi participate on his side. Well, so a small boy, Bepare Oy too. Let him give us all the names of those people that were working with him all along. Otherwise, let him forget it. Because even gone Bumo and the one so that we can go and place it at the Navek, around Navek. Yes, around Navek. Why Momo can you go for a place? That's the bottom line. Adam, what they go, let him just shut up. I'm getting sick and tired of his story. Wakane, he likes it or not, one day all this will come out by force. All of it will come out. So he better make sure that he talks now, tells us what has happened, then we understand, then we'll have sympathy towards him. That is all I want to tell you. Make it very clear. Now, let the boy play the agent bin. Let him play the tape to him and then delete it as he did the last time. Yes. We. Who are we? You know your voice.
Bro, Malaikum Salam, Malaikum Salam. So, call Benyari. Hope I be finding. Okay, nice hearing from you, Nice hearing from you. That's very true, because the last time, in program, so I heard Alex talking about the issue. I know he don't have more ideas about it, and that's very true. Yeah, I was the masterminder. I was the masterminder of everything. Yeah, I will not accuse anybody, but I am the masterminder of everything. Really. So when I go, it will be lawful for near up some ball, at least no cool explain I cool nata nyadile and munatina munembulala munatina ngake. Yeah, and go optional if he could recall to his mind. Another kanana God poso to Eli Baji. Yes, Sajin Bajia. Nakuro keke balum anana kan pick nunje inena kan pick nunje in la moto ko nika finti ka kurin kanya ndi wonke yeah, definitely covering long. I respected you 100%. I appreciate you. You are part of the people who even whom I imitate and admire in the system. Though to be candid, I was popular. Many people knows me long, just like you. But definitely, nakira was a keno I will be very, very happy. Yeah. Bro, to be candid, I'm not easily the kunga for I learn from my mistakes. They leave me vulnerable. So again, taking another risk is going to be very difficult. Yes, we can, stay away from these guys, from these guys forum, I really wanted to explain it to you, but I need to be sure that big man on Yimba Moila, wala nang ko if we can do a conference call through the WhatsApp. So me, I will explain everything because I'm coming for anything. Ninate and I'm sure that he had it. Ngala voice I don't mind to go to jail because I know ninga fire. Handing a audio in lecture. If they come for me, I will go to jail with happiness. Right now, I'm a family man. Definitely, if such things with no guarantee, I don't see the guarantor. Definitely, I really trusted you because you have to, trust me in this. Ndefana na karoji be fana na protection on my security. Because I'll emphasize it. I learned from my own mistakes. Okay, these are very powerful people. Hani na deputy bongo bijele. Okay, hani na advisor to ibijele. You know, in the military hierarchies, they are there. They leave me vulnerable, very vulnerable, very vulnerable. So it's like me, I'm sitting here with anger. Yeah, I'm really stressed at the moment. Like I am really stressed. All I am praying is just cool dunyokono. Definitely, I am really stressed at the moment. They leave me vulnerable, and all they are wishing me is for me to commit mistake. They will just have something to fabricate and send me to jail. Definitely, they are waiting for that, and they know also me. I am also having their secret, which if I blow, if the Gambians know about it, especially if the big man knows about it, ni na ateka na nteni tolu bele be bora bulala. We go away because they know it very well. They know it very well. They brainwash me. They brainwash us here. You know what I mean? So you never among come one Lafika experience, but I need to be sure. Like I said, I will emphasize it my security and I learn from my past mistake. I don't want to make any other mistake anymore. Because the same big man they used to blackmail me. Because I used to be a very loyal soldier to my country, to the big man. He used to like me. Definitely. He used to give me money. Definitely. So this is my problem at the moment. So the risk is there. The risk is there is a tendency of a big risk that I'm going to take, which I'm not sure. So I have to be sure in this case. Trust me, bro.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الحمد لله رب العالمين الحمد لله رب العالمين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته my hero babi linga wa dega nako affaire ni lake political bureau bi wow I guarantee him because audio yu bëri dama ko day am su ko joxee sana manjang dina ko am waaw I guarantee him ne dina ko am waaw I want to know all the niñ ko plané ñoom ñan la kan moo leen ko santaane pour ñu laka political bureau bi waaw that is very important waaw okone let him have no fears about Sana Manjang or any other person maybe trust on Sana Manjang because of the circumstances comme ni ko waxee ne before dañ ko daa wax ne non na wax rek clearly no he can be rest assured Sana Manjang lu mu wax daf ko dee def waaw Sana Manjang du ko betray waaw it will be a bad idea mu def ko si Lamin Tambo is ours no because then ñi si bokk yëpp nañ xam ne man yëg naa affaire yi naka la xam naa leen so that is not even safe for him waaye the best thing would be mu defar audio comme agree with Sana Manjang dinaa ko jot waaw because even ñoom Gilbert ak ñeneen yi seen audio yëpp dama ko dee dégg dama ko dee am waaw so it doesn't mean I'm in touch with them directly no waaye there are so many things yoo xam ne the bottom line is na defar audio bi rek waaye man tam I want you to also make it very clear to him that's my audio bi bu mu ko share ak kenn yes you can guarantee that ne du ko share ak kenn waaw and he has to tell me everything that has happened who was responsible who sponsored it and why okay so my hero thank you very much yaa ngi ma yónnee audio yu bëri bëri ñu ngi loot xam nga yéen seen affaire daal da nga waaru okay then no problem thank you very much thank you very much thank you very much yeah thank you very much I'm quite sure in fact Sanamanja would also not say it with any other person as well because suñu xamee ne kii wax na rek mën nañ ko they can do anything to him because most of them are in the Gambia today waaw am na ku waxoon nag naka la affaire yi demee waaye daal bëgg naa dégg from the horse's mouth comme que moom he was the one in charge of the operation asalaamaaleykum wa rahmatullahi taala wa barakaatu jërëjëf yal naa la yàlla aar yal naa la yàlla fay si yëpp ok أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الحمد لله رب العالمين الحمد لله رب العالمين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته suma séeréer bi na nga def alhamdulillah rabbil alamin waaw gis naa élection nu mu demee waaye yàlla moo xam li tax and I have no bad feelings towards it the results as a Muslim I should accept the will of the Almighty Allah. Allah knows best. Allah knows better. So the thing is loolu la yàlla binda loolu mooy suñ loolu la alhamdulillah rabbil alamin comme ni nga waxee rek boy bi foog ñu in fact ñu taxaw yëpp ñun dañ la war a jàppale waaw not only boy bi rek because suñ ko defee boy bi rek ñeneen dañoo lose courage xam nga Gambian si and it's rightly so too because ñoom tam dañ contest but anyway li yàlla binda loolu mooy am ok boy bi gis naa ne daf dee wax ne ñun moom waaye du dee wax moom ak ñan la ñu bokkal groupe bi ñi doon def opération bi benn tey oangut kenn he has not named any one of them which is also not fair okay so su waxee ne living dafa wax ñoom moom si groupe am tam ñi fa bokk yëpp waaw waaye di wax ne ñun waaye we only know him alone what about the others. He has to tell us everything. He has to come forward. Boy, we don't go around digga. He either comes forward or let him forget it. Okay? Yes. Because you cannot tell me to give him assurances and now he's mungewa nyene amna yene ñohane du nanguta wax sen turi. Okay? Be pare mom si groupe am sax waxut mom mo kanaka mungewa small boys ana amuñ tur. Ana amuñ tur. So lu ma wax bu dee loolu moo nekk si moom ba pare mu ne ma jox ko assurance ba pare nangu ta wax moom bu tiimam bi sax kan moo si nekk mu ngi oo ñeneen ñi ñoo xam ne ñoo ko jox instructions waaye ñoom ñi ko def moom moo kan la daf la war a tudde otherwise let him forget it waaw because it seems that the boy is hiding a lot of things waaw he is hiding a lot of things koli bu ma wax noonu man xam naa ko boy bu xees la woon waaye pël la waaye anyway make it very clear to him ne sooner or later the whole truth will come out bési yàlla dina jot so moom suy xaaj ñoom moom kan ñoo ko def I think He is putting himself at a risk, and he will take responsibility for all what has happened. Wow. So let it be very clear. He did not play with me. Now what Degabi, now what Turi, group ambisa, now what Momo Kanakan, from burning of the petrol stations, GNPC petrol stations to the living way. Political bureau, now what Nyep Nyan Nyosi participate on his side. Well, so a small boy, Bepar Oil too. Let him give us all the names of those people that we are working with him all along. Otherwise, let him forget it. Because even Gonbumo and Wanane, so that we can go and place it at the uh, Navek, around Navek. Yes, around Navek. Why Momo can you work for our place? That's the bottom line. Adam Wadega, let him just shut up. I'm getting sick and tired of his uh, story. Wakone, he likes it or not, one day all this will come out by force. All of it will come out. So he better make sure that he talks now, tells us what has happened, then we understand, then we'll have sympathy towards him. That is all I want to tell you. Make it very clear. Now, boy, let the boy play the agent being, let him play the tape to him and then delete it as he did the last time. Yes. We. Who are we? You know your voice. You know your group. You better name all of them. Otherwise, just forget it. You cannot tell me to give you assurances only for you to try to play games with me. That's not going to happen. Yes, you either tell us all or just forget it. The truth, by the grace of the Almighty Allah, will come out plainly, and we will see what is going to happen. So, thank you very much for your job done. Well done, Suma Serelbi. Boy, we munona win, munona nyaka win. Yalla hamluta munta win. But you also have to understand that our own people were trying to undermine him too. So that's the bottom line. He was campaigning, people were following and doing. At the end of the day, they go back and just undermine him. Just like former Mayor Yankuba Kwali did in KMC. Mudem Dilewa and they let them not vote for me. We went on the tour everywhere, and then he came back to tell these people the day of some days before the election that let them not vote for me, let them vote against me. But anyway, yalla ban. That's all I can say. Wow. Dem alone, te amna. Gambia si gis nañ the effect of this evil, doing evil. Tomorrow is coming. Come lima dewa Gambian si all the time. And niti yep. The world is 3 days. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Tomorrow is coming. So whoever wants to come clean, just come clean and tell the truth. Don't hide anybody. If you hide anybody, it will come out. It will come out by the grace of the Almighty Allah. So let him tell us the whole truth, the damn whole truth. Otherwise, don't send me his audios anymore. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, Your Excellency. This is Sirfo Sanyang. I greet you very well, and my regards to all your family. Okay, pertaining to the APRC Bureau, it is very difficult for me to trust someone, but Alhamdulillah, I have spoken to you, and I believe now you have some of my audios, and you really knows my concern about it. This thing have been bothering me for a long time, for a long time now. First of all, it started between me and Usman Sonko and Sol Baji. Okay, Sol Baji first approached me when I was on duties at the jet. During that time, if he is coming in, if he is coming inside your house, if you don't open the both gate, he will complain about opening of the one gate. So when I went and realized that, when I saw him coming at all time, because other people have been victimized about opening only the one gate. So I used to open the two gates for him, both gate. I will open both gate for him. So I do that once, twice. The other time when he came, he gave me $100. He said, let me take it. He said, I'm very loyal. So when I take that money, so from there he started recognizing me from the Lord. Okay, so another day, a lorry of rice came in. So we were offloading it for you behind your stores. So we are working there. He came there. He said, "Hey, rol manual bal fala janne albe mano over nyula janne ngal mutole already." So I was surprised. He said to me, "Hey, my boy, how are you doing?" I said, "I'm fine." Then I think on that day he gave me some cash, about $2,000. He said, "I will need to talk to you." I tell him, "Okay, no problem." So when he left, I also go when after offloading all those trucks. It was 2 trucks. We offload all those trucks. Then I take bath. On that day I was on duties. I was going out to the market. His office was at the gate of the market there. So that was the time he saw me. He was standing on top. He saw me. He said, "Hey, my commando, come." So my dad commando come. Then I go there. He said to me that, "No, we have a job. I have a job for you from the big man, you yourself." I tell him, "Okay." So but he said to me that if you do this job well, you will be I will make you a outlet inside the house. Okay, I tell him, "No problem. You remember the GPNC? That was my first tax. That tax was given to me, to burn it, but the one at Baka was not properly born. So then I have to rush and shift to that other one. That is the one that is at Abuku. That one was also that was also born by me." So I went there. He said I should do something that he should have confidence on me. That is so. Now I went to those petrol stations then. That is the GMPC. I burned out those trucks. There are trucks down there because I wanted to blow the entire petrol station. But the time doesn't favor me. It was around 6. So when I burn this one, it doesn't burn properly, and the security they come to off it. Then I just make a U-turn view. I roasted that other one. That very the same day, I roasted that other one straight to Abuko. Then Abuko, when I reach there, I don't waste no time there. So I just burn those trucks, to us. From burning them, I just withdraw view. I go. When I go home, the following day I was on duties. I was there. So when he was there, I was there. Then he came again, because normally he always come to the guard room. So I was thinking like it was a setup for me, So I was not comfortable. I was all around on standby also, all along on standby. I chamber my AK, I chamber my pistol, just waiting for him. Whether he's just, but when he came, he just hit my back. He said to me, "You take this and buy attire. That was in front of people, So that is the time. I relieve. But all along that week, I was not comfortable. But time to time, he used to come to, before he went for this draft plane, he will just pass through that place. He makes sure that, he see me and talk to me and give me courage, So from there, he said to me that, my boss will want to see you. That is Usman Sonko. That at that time he was Minister of Interior. Yes. Then this Usman Sonko, I think I met Usman Sonko in Kanila. There was a day all the minister were summoned down there at Kanila. I was on 4 house on guard. I was the guard commander at 4 house. So when I was at 4 house, so then the ministers were coming. So then when Saul came, he said to me, this guy will call you. This guy, that is Sonko. Sonko will call you. I tell him, okay, no problem. But he said he's on the way, even coming. So when Sonko came, Sonko called me. He said, are you Sanyang? Sirfo Sanyang? Yes. I tell him yes. Then I was a couple. So he entered. When he go inside, he said that he is coming. So when he came back, he just picked me. Then we go to this place, the hotel. That is Sindola Hotel. So we were sitting there. When we sit there, he said to me, so tell me about you. I need you to do this thing for the big man. So all along, anything that they tell me, they will tell me, I want you to do this for the big man, for the interest of the country. That's what they used to tell me. Okay? For the interest of the country. So I wanted to report this, but I was scared, Though this guy, Baji, one CSM Baji, Musa Baji used to like me. He used to be my guy. He used to protect me. One day, one of my white lady came here. I even invite Musa Baji with me to have dinner in the hotel. So I wanted to expose this. But when Musa Baji was coming, Musa Baji came with his wife, that is Kadi Koli. So when they came, so there was no room for me to say anything again, because his wife is a lady. And I believe that, this is man-to-man thing. So I was scared, so I just reserved myself. So we have our dinner. When we have our dinner, then we disperse. So I was not sure of anybody again. I didn't trust anybody to talk to. Okay. So I was there. Yeah. From the hotel. No, on that day in the hotel, he said to me that, as I said, we want you to do something. So that's something he said, when the due time come, I will tell you where to go. I tell him, okay, no problem. I will be available at any time that you people want me. I'll be available. So then the hotel, I left the hotel. I invite Musa Baji to the hotel. Also in Senegambia, I cannot explain anything. So I was there. One fine day, Saul called me. When he called me, I went back through Marina. Marina, you see, Marina behind the School of Nursing. Beside School of Nursing, That's where Saul picked me. That one on that day, he was the one driving alone. That was around after 7. So we were driving, When we were even driving, I was even, scared. I think that, maybe we are going to mile 2 or whatsoever. So he drive me up to around the graveyard, Banjul, after the arch, the graveyard, So that's where we park. He tell me that we want you to go and burn the APRC protocol bureaus. There are documents that we want to destroy. All documents. He said to me, don't reserve anything, burn everything. Burn everything. But when I asked him, like seriously, he said, yes, you have to burn everything. This is an executive order for the interest of this country. Okay? And you have to do it as quick as possible. So I was telling him that, come on, are you going to protect me? He said, yes, of course, I'm going to protect you. The minister is in for it. The minister also will brief you. So within 20-30 minutes, so receive a call. Then when he received a call, I think on that day you and Saul were talking. Yes, because it's like I can hear the background of your voice. You and Saul are talking, So when you and Saul finish talking, then this guy have to call. Usman Sonko have to call. When Usman Sonko called, then he said to him, "Nyokomba officially." So that is the time we move. We drive up to this side. This place, the way that big Johnson, the Johnson that come from the other one come from Bakau around the Radio Gambia road, and the other one come from Joshua. Kamalo, yes, Kamalo, roundabout. So we parked there. Then Sonko came down, sit in front. I was sitting at the back. So he tell me that now you have to make sure that you do this thing as quick as possible. You have to go and destroy every document that you have inside the bureau, the APRC political bureau. At that time, I don't know where the APRC political bureau was located. So I asked them where the bureau is. They tell me the bureau is around the former Chinese embassy, Iceman Road. So he direct me. So he said if everything was work out, everything is in place, and we have do all the recce for you. And this guy is there. Let Yankuba Koli is aware of it. That mayor was aware of it. Yankuba Koli. Okay, when he mentioned Yankuba Koli, then after he said to me that by tomorrow I will Saul will give you some cars so that you can able to rent a car and do the operation. Alright, bro. Malaikum salam. Malaikum salam. So call Benyari. Hope I be finding. Okay, nice hearing from you. Nice hearing from you. That's very true. Because the last time in program so I heard Alex talking about the issue. I know he don't have more ideas about it, and that's very true. Yeah, I was the masterminder. I was the masterminder of everything. Yeah, I will not accuse anybody, but I am the masterminder of everything. Really. So when Ananka Echo, it will be lawful for near up some ball at least nga ko ni nga explain ay ko nata nyaadile anu munatina munembulala munatina ngake. Yeah, Anka Echo optional, if he could recall to his mind anana kana na gat poso to lay no eli baji e sajin baji ya na ko ke balum anana kan piknu je ini na kan piknu je lay no ini la moto ko ni ka finti ka ku rin kanya ndi won ke yeah, definitely covering long. I respected you 100%. I appreciate you. You are part of the people who even whom I imitate and admire in the system. Though to be candid, I was popular. Many people knows me long, just like you. Well, definitely, nakira was a keno I will be very very happy. Yeah, bro. To be candid, I'm not easily na kunga fo nyami. I learn from my mistakes. They leave me vulnerable. So again, taking another risk is going to be very difficult. Yes, we can, stay away from these guys, from these guys forum, I really wanted to explain it to you, but I need to be sure that big man on Yimba Moila, wala nanko if we can do a conference call through the WhatsApp. Me, I will explain everything because I'm coming for anything. Ninati and I'm sure that he had it ngala voice I don't mind to go to jail because I know ninga fire handing a audio in lecture. If they come for me, I will go to jail with happiness. Right now, I'm a family man. Definitely, if such things with no guarantee, I don't see the guarantor. Definitely, I really trusted you because you have to, trust me in this.